Dr. Jagdish Hiremath, MD, DM, DNB, is the President of the Cardiology Society of India, Pune Chapter. This renowned interventional cardiologist has been practicing in Pune for over 25 years. He currently serves as the Director of Cath Lab at the Ruby Hall Clinic. In his previous capacity, he was the Director of Non-invasive Cardiology and Director of CCU at Ruby Hall Clinic, and was also known for his role as the Chief of Cardiology at Poona Hospital. Dr. Hiremath has completed his MD from Pune, DM Cardiology with a gold medal from Mumbai, and DNB Cardiology of the National Board. He has received specialized training in coronary angioplasty from Melbourne, Australia, and is a fellow of the American College of Cardiology.
जिराफ तो पेंटिंग करतोय, त्यांनी काय पेंट केले बघा, ते सिंहाचं मेन आयाळ पेंट केली आहे आणि त्याची वरची बॅक साईड पेंट केली, कारण त्या जिराफाला तसंच दिसतंय वरून. हिज परसेप्शन इज फ्रॉम द टॉप. ते मल्टीटास्किंगचंच असं झालं आहे की एव्हरीथिंग इज. आणि मग व्हॉट इज द परसेप्शन ऑफ मल्टीटास्कर? People say, I am proud to be a workaholic and a multitasker, or such a person is put on a pedestal. These are actually type A personalities. The other types are looked down upon. आपण कायम टीचर लोक बोलताना सुद्धा excellence, out of the box thinking, this we are harping on it, we keep on talking about it. Somehow I feel this can induce depression in many people if we keep talking of all that. Why you have to be brilliant in everything? म्हणजे see this lady, the way she is standing, the way she is reflected, the way the photographs taken, this is simply beautiful. But can I do it? No. What I can do it is go out with my friends, do a simple activity, reflect well, and it still makes a good picture. So to me, there is no, it's perfectly okay to be ordinary. That's what I feel. So multitasking, as I said, is a perception. This needs to change, is what we are coming to slowly. What is a workaholic? If you read the Oxford definition, what is a bad word derived from alcohol? Alcoholic. So what is a bad word derived from work? Workaholic. पण वर्कोहॉलिकला किती ग्लोरिफिकेशन आहे. प्रत्येकाला वाटलं मला वर्कोहॉलिक म्हणायला पाहिजे, हा माणूस वर्कोहॉलिक. इट इज नॉट सो. इट इज अ बॅड वर्ड derived from work like alcoholic. Workaholic works because he has nothing else to do. He has closed eyes, he is inefficient and has no work-life balance. म्हणून तो सारखं काम करायचं असं आपलं एक परसेप्शन असायला हरकत नाही. And of course the sideला डॉक्टरचे दाखवलंय. So actually I am once again at the end of the talk coming to these things की आता हे ते फुलपाखरू आहेत. सपोज I see patients in my OPD. खालचं फूल आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये आय डू समथिंग फॉर द महाराष्ट्र युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑफ हेल्थ सायन्सेस. तिकडचं फूल आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये मे बी आय वॉज पार्ट ऑफ दॅट प्रिव्हेन्शनचा कोरोना टाईप ऑफ दिस थिंग कमिटी. अँड सो मेनी थिंग्स आर हॅपनिंग अराउंड मी विच आय फील एम आय मल्टीटास्किंग विचार करायची जरूर नसते. यू जस्ट हॅव टू डू सिरियल युनिटास्किंग अँड द सेम पिक्चर actually is combined, forms a wonderful picture. That is what is serial unitasking turning into multitasking. So from left hand top corner, birth, to draw a straight line to a right hand bottom column, natural death. So on the top horizontally you are torn in many ways for the family, for the society, but vertical line, sacrifices bring you back to the curve of natural death. You are torn with a career and earning and other things, social responsibilities, but lot of jugad in life, do this, do that, brings you back to but the yellow square in between is of health, is of time management, is of priority, and is of serial unitasking. You do that and you don't have to do jugad or the sacrifices and still go to your natural death in a respectable way. So take home message is multiple tasks are a way of life, you can't escape it. Traditional multitasking has none so favorable outcomes. We saw ki brain la kiti त्रास होऊ शकतो. Focus on multiple task execution in a defined period of time. Crux is to train oneself to do serial unitasking. Clarity of thought, homework, prioritization, time management and delegation are the keys. But हे सगळं गुगलमधनं ह्याच्यामधनं त्याच्यामधनं येतं आहे. फॉर इंडिया, विदाउट एनी टॉमटॉमिंग, विदाउट डायसेटिंग, Indian households have been practicing multitasking with elan for centuries. It is nothing new to us. We just have to redefine ourselves and rediscover ourselves. Lastly, I think third wave might come is what I realize. Everybody knows, nobody knows really, fakta everybody thinks it might come and so please don't lower your guard. In my introduction I said I have agnostic beliefs of life. Agnostic means there is no doubt that there is a superpower. But I may not believe in human-made things like religion or prayer or something. But I feel the superpower la sangawa ki please look after ourselves. Let's look after ourselves and continue MVSS and learn a bit about multitasking. Thank you.
समस्त बंधू भगिनी आणि वारकरी भाविक भक्तांनो, तत्वज्ञ संत श्री ज्ञानेश्वर श्री तुकाराम महाराज यांच्या नावाने आणि विश्वधर्मी प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ दा कराड यांच्या अथक प्रयत्नाने साकार झालेल्या या विश्वशांतीच्या घुमटातून भागवत वारकरी परंपरेचा हा ज्ञान विज्ञानाधिष्ठित अध्यात्मशास्त्राचा दिव्य संदेश संपूर्ण मानव जातीला सुख, समाधान आणि शांतीकडे घेऊन जाईल याचा आम्हाला विश्वास वाटतो. जगभरातील मान्यवरांनी गौरवलेला हा विश्व शांतीचा घुमट लवकरच जगातील एक आश्चर्य म्हणून ओळखला जाईल आणि भारताला विश्वगुरू म्हणून मान्यता प्राप्त करून देईल अशी आमची प्रांजळ भावना आहे.